5 things that YouTube coaches don't tell new YouTube creators. Today we're going to talk about something just a little bit controversial. The things that coaches may not always share with new creators. Yeah, those experts, they might be leaving out crucial details. Ready to get the inside scoop? Number 1, the magic formula is a myth. They often sell strategies and courses with a promise, but there's always that catch. So there's not a magic formula. YouTube is unpredictable, and what works for one channel may not work for another. The key is experimentation and consistency. Don't get caught up in the myth that there's a one-size-fits-all. Number 2, the hidden costs. Creating content isn't just about uploading and hitting records. A lot of the coaches forget to talk about the software editing, the marketing and the branding, and all the advertising costs. These expenses can add up very quickly. It is crucial to budget and plan for these costs so that they are upfront and you're not blindsided later. Investing in your channel is important, but making informed decisions will help you in the long run. Number 3, the burnout is real. The coaches often highlight the glamorous side of YouTube, the fame, the freedom, and the fun, but they forget to tell you how easy it is to experience burnout. Producing content consistently, engaging in viewers, it can lead to burnout very, very quickly. It's essential to take care of your mental health and your work life. Don't let the pressure of growing your channel compromise your well-being. Number 4, the algorithm is not your friend. Many coaches practice mastering the algorithm just to gain visibility. While understanding the algorithm is helpful, it's not the end-all be-all. Focusing solely on the algorithm can lead you to trends. Instead of trying to game the system, make quality content and focus on engaging with your audience. Being authentic will trump trying to trick the algorithm. Number 5, the community. Coaches like to emphasize on the individual story of where you came from in your background, but forget to speak about how to build a community. YouTube isn't just about broadcasting your content, it's about engaging with the people who watch it. Interact with your audience and participate in the YouTube community. This can significantly impact your growth. Don't underestimate the power of genuine connection and interaction. All right, guys, that's about it. The 5 things YouTube coaches may not tell you. Remember, success is a journey. This journey is filled with learning and adaptation. To understand these truths, you'll be better to navigate the ups and downs of this journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more insights. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Got any questions or you need more tips? Drop them in the comments below.